So this is the 555 timer playground Mark 1. It has 3 modes of operation: astable, monostable, and bistable. The modes of operation can be set using the dip switch right here, and the parameters such as the values for resistors A and B can be set using these 2 pots. And you've also got buttons for trigger or set and reset depending on the mode. So right now this is astable mode. We can speed it up. So that's a stable mode. Now we'll turn it off and set it to monostable mode. So this is monostable mode. You can see that it moves pretty quick, but we can slow it down with the RA and RB settings. So now it takes a little bit longer. We can make it even slower. That's even slower. Right, so we'll turn it off and set it to bistable mode. Now with bistable mode, you can set it and reset it, set it and reset it. And again, the counter will be incremented and the decoder will light up the correct LED. That's it. That's the 555 timer playground. Thank you for watching.